Imagine standing at the edge of a new world, not a red desert blasted by radiation, not a silent airless rock scarred by ancient impacts, but a place where the sky glows orange, where rain falls, not water, but liquid methane, where vast seas stretch to the horizon, beneath a sun that looks like a distant star. This is not science fiction. This is Titan. Soft pause. For decades, we've told ourselves a familiar story. Humanity's future lies on the moon, or on Mars. We've watched rockets rise, rovers crawl, flags imagined in alien soil. Mars became the symbol of survival, the backup planet, the second home. But what if that story is incomplete? What if, in our rush toward the obvious, we've overlooked a world that is not just possible to colonize, but preferable? Tonight, let's step back from the usual destinations. Let's look beyond red dust and gray regolith. Let's journey outward, past the asteroid belt, beyond the rings of Saturn, to a moon that may quietly be the most Earth-like world we've ever found, if we know how to look. This is the story of why Titan may be the best place for humanity's first, true off-world civilization. Heartbeat-like rhythm begins. For as long as humans have looked at the night sky, we've wondered what lies beyond. Our ancestors saw gods in the stars, stories in the constellations. Today we see physics, chemistry, gravity, and possibility. The sun, a middle-aged yellow star, anchors us in a galaxy of over 400 billion stars. From calcium in our bones to iron in our blood, we are made of stellar ash. And yet, despite all this cosmic abundance, life, at least as we know it, appears rare. Earth survives because of balance, a thick atmosphere, a magnetic shield, liquid water, a stable climate. Remove just one, and life struggles. Remove several, and survival becomes a technological nightmare. This is the challenge of Mars. Mars once had rivers, lakes, maybe oceans, but its core cooled. Its magnetic field faded. The sun stripped its atmosphere away, molecule by molecule. Today, standing on Mars without protection would kill you in minutes, not just from cold, but from radiation tearing through your DNA. The moon fares even worse. No atmosphere, no magnetic field, extreme heat, extreme cold. Colonization there means living underground, forever. And that raises a question we rarely ask. Is survival enough? Is the dream of humanity among the stars really about hiding beneath alien soil, never feeling wind, never seeing clouds, never walking beneath an open sky? Or is it about building worlds where life can breathe? Music softens. Now imagine Titan. Titan orbits Saturn, a giant so massive you could fit every other planet inside it. But Titan is different. Titan is the only moon in the solar system, with a thick atmosphere, denser than Earth's. In 2005, the Huygens probe drifted through Titan's sky. Slowly, like a leaf falling through orange haze, it revealed rivers, coastlines, rounded stones, not carved by water, but by liquid methane. Titan's atmosphere is mostly nitrogen, the same gas that fills Earth's sky. Complex organic molecules form above and fall like chemical snow. In many ways, Titan is a time machine, a glimpse of Earth 4 billion years ago. But Titan isn't just fascinating, it's practical. Music turns hopeful. Mars has 38% of Earth's gravity. The moon, only 16. Long-term low gravity weakens bones, shrinks muscles, threatens human health. Titan's gravity is low, but its dense atmosphere changes everything. Movement would feel slow, gentle, almost dreamlike. A human with wings could fly. And then there's radiation. Mars is exposed. The moon even more so. Titan's thick atmosphere shields the surface. Radiation levels there are closer to Earth than anywhere else beyond it. For the first time, humans could live above ground, under a sky, with weather. Pause. Yes, Titan is cold, minus 179 degrees Celsius, but cold is easier to manage than radiation. On Titan, surface pressure is higher than Earth's. No pressure suit needed, just warmth. And oxygen. And cold has advantages. Electronics last longer. Reactors run efficiently. Waste heat becomes a resource. Titan is rich in energy. Seas of methane, chemical fuel. Industrial potential. On Mars, resources are locked away. On Titan, They fall from the sky. Music expands. And then there is chemistry. Life is chemistry in motion. On Earth, water is the solvent of life. On Titan, methane plays that role. Some scientists believe Titan may host an entirely different form of life. If true, biology itself would be rewritten. Even if Titan is sterile, it is still a laboratory the size of a world, a place to learn not just survival, but adaptation. And adaptation is the story of humanity. Music builds. Zoom out, beyond Titan, beyond Saturn, into the Milky Way. At its center lies Sagittarius A, a supermassive black hole, quiet now, but once violent. Stars are born, they burn, they die, and from their ashes, planets form, life emerges. We are part of that cycle. Colonizing another world is not an escape from Earth. It is a continuation of a story. Billions of years old, reflective tone. So why has Titan been overlooked? Distance. Saturn is far. The sun is faint. But distance brings stability, and technology changes everything. The question is not can we go, it's why we choose where we go. Mars is familiar, Titan is strange, and humanity has always grown. By embracing the strange, pause. Imagine the first Titan city, domes glowing beneath an amber sky, lights reflecting off methane seas, children growing up under Saturn's rings, watching them arc like frozen rainbows. They wouldn't be pioneers in tunnels. They would be citizens of a new world, a world that teaches patience, creativity, humility, a world that reminds us life doesn't need comfort. It needs possibility. Music rises gently. In the end, colonizing Titan isn't about abandoning Earth. It's about understanding it. Earth's future is not